Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Veamor. So I just got a couple things in the mail that I wanted to show y'all. It is from AliExpress, and then 2 items is from Michaels. I just decided to include it in this little mini haul, if you want to call it that. So I'll start with the Michaels stuff first. So I went to Michaels and I picked these reflections. The company's called Reflections, and they're little crystals, but more like glass shards, right? They're actually called glass glitter palettes effect mirror. So glass glitter mirror palettes effect. I can't wait to try them. I have the colors. It's almost like a gold and silver. This is not quite gold, but it's gold. It's just not a strong gold, and this is the silver. And I can't wait to try them. When I saw them, I'm like, wow, I gotta find a way to use these. They're so pretty. See that? Can y'all see that? Okay. So, oh, I'm spilling them. I'm spilling the product. Okay, so I'll deal with that later. Picking those up. So these were about $4 each, I believe. I'll leave the pricing and the all the information, the links in the description box. But these are at Michaels. I think they're worth the price. They're gorgeous. I only saw 2 colors. That's why I got these 2. I wish they had like purple, pink, and all that. I would have got that, but they had gold and silver. So that's that. So from AliExpress, I also received 2 more glitters. So this one is a blue. Lovely. I love it. It's a chunky glitter. Love it. I can't wait to try that. Probably do some encapsulation with that. And then this one is just more of like a holographic glitter. Still a chunky glitter, but that's pretty. That's pretty. Love it, love it. Can y'all see that? I'm spilling everything today. Okay, I need that, so let me put it back in there. Yes, can't be wasting my products like that. Ain't no shame in my game. Put it right back in there. I mean, table's clean and haven't used it yet, so can't waste it. All right, so next we're gonna look at these sugar gel paint pots. Okay, it's from the company Your Sugar. It's a chameleon colors. I was supposed to get 12. Oh, I have 1 more glitter. It's just a tiny little purple one. Okay, not that big of a deal. Okay, so I was supposed to get 12 in the lot when I ordered it, but instead I got 9. And I did contact the company, and they assured me that they're shipping the additional 2. But the problem is now I have to wait an additional 30 days just for 2 that I should have got with this shipment. But I would definitely still recommend the seller because they had pretty good customer service for the most part. They didn't give me a hard time. They realized and owned that they were wrong. Okay. So we have the color 002. They're just numbers. They're on here by numbers. But we'll take a look. How pretty is that? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let me try to tone down my lights. See if y'all can see it better. That's gorgeous. This one is like a shimmer purple. It's definitely like a milky white, clear with a shimmer purple in it. This one is the color 001. And this one has like a shimmer green, still like a milky white, clear-ish, iridescent green. This one, oh, I love this one. It's like a gold bronze with a little bit of green in there. Again, these are chameleon paint pots, so they have a bunch of colors in there, and I don't think the camera's doing it justice. It's not really picking up all the colors in there, but they're so pretty. The consistency are excellent. I have not tried them yet. All of the gel polishes that I show y'all, I will be doing like a nail art videos, and I'll include that. If you see anything that I swatch in my, well, not swatch, but if you see anything that I include in my hauls that you want me to actually do a nail art video on, just let me know, comment below. So this one has like a shimmer purple. On camera it's looking like a lot of these are all the same, but they're not. They're so gorgeous in person. This is the color 009. And I think from the seller, the quantity is a good amount in there. The pots is not filled to the top, but they're not little either. I think it's fair for what I paid. Excuse me if I'm sniffling. I got a little bit of a cold. This one is the same, but it's like a purple silver glitter-ish thing going on in there. Very pretty. These will look good if you use them with like some loose glitters. Okay, and this one, oh, it's like a teal silver. It's a bunch of colors in there. These are too pretty, gorgeous. Okay. That is beautiful. Now this is like a burgundy golden color right there. That's nice. And this is color 003. Last with these, color 004. Let's see what we got here. This one has a deeper purple, more, yeah, definitely deeper purple. These are so pretty. And green in there too. Oh my gosh. Like I told y'all, the consistency is excellent. Look at that. It's not too loose and not too, well, not too wet, not too thick. It's just right. Exactly how a gel polish is supposed to be. Last but not least, I have some gel paint pots from this company Veamor or Veamor. I don't know exactly how they pronounce that. I love these. So we'll dive right into it. For the lot that I purchased, I received 12 pots. Okay. Okay, we'll start with this one. They don't have any names or nothing on it, numbers. As far as color goes, what you see is pretty much what you get. This is clearly a pink color right there. And these are glitter paint pots. So I'm gonna show you what a couple looks like. That is gorgeous. Oh my God. Nice and thick. For some odd reason, they smell good too. So that was the pink. This is black. Oof, look at that. That is the black. Again, bunch of glitters in there. I love glitters. That's really pretty. I can't wait to try that one. This one is like a clear glitter with silver glitter flakes in there as well. There's so much you can do with these. Look at that. So pretty. Okay. Again, these came pretty quickly. about 15 days from China, from AliExpress. This is a blue, gorgeous blue. I mean, my goodness. Can't wait to try this either. I can't wait to try everything. All right, this one is a gold. Beautiful gold. Gorgeous. Y'all see that? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, let me make sure I close these back right. Next one is another silver. Well, the first one actually wasn't a silver. Let's go back. So you see the difference? This was like a clear with silver flakes in it. Silver glitter. This is a all silver glitter. Okay. Gorgeous. Ooh, this one is like a peach passion fruit color. Almost like a neon color. Beautiful. Can y'all see that? That's gorgeous. And again, for if you order this lot, you get 12 of them. 12. With a variety of colors, as you can see. Oh my gosh, look at this green, like a emerald green. I love it. This I have to try first. Let's take a look. Love it. Okay, we got 4 more left. This is a gold color. I think we had another gold in here somewhere. Well, okay, so wait a minute. This is gold. This is more of like, I guess like bronze. I wouldn't, yeah. I guess it's still like a brown gold, something like that, bronze. Yeah. I love how rich the colors are. I mean, you know, ordering on AliExpress is like trying your luck. But so far, I mean, I'm really loving most of the things that I get. I mean, quality-wise, they're excellent. So this is like a purple, pink purple-ish color. Ew, it's messy. Glitter is always messy. As far as how they came packaged, it was fair. The box is pretty beat up, but they had like foam and other things in here to. There was no spillage, pretty much, of the glitter. This one is so pretty. It's like a cotton candy pink with blue and orange, different glitter particles in there, flakes, whatever you want to call it. Very pretty. Very pretty. And then last but not least, we have this clear with iridescent like blues and pinks in there. And these are very beautiful. See? I love these. Love them, love them, love them. So I got 12 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And of course, like I said, I pre-opened these things in the mail, so that's why I'm not opening up on camera. I can never wait. That's all I have for y'all. That's all that came in the mail today. Definitely go check these out at Michael's. You will love them. Get creative with it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment section. What am I forgetting? Oh yeah, subscribe to my channel. And I'm working on putting more videos out. Just be a little patient with me. I'm still learning how to edit correctly, but at this point I'm just gonna put them out there. All right, thanks for watching.